Okay, I'm a little confused for the actual trading. Can we use the Forex platform or just any trading platform to take advantage of the auto trader? So I think I think the best thing for you to do is log in and walk through, or have you already done it? Have you went through the auto trader boot camp? Let's start there. Have you went through auto trader boot camp? I'm in lesson two. Okay, cool. All right, yeah. So you getting into it. Lessons, yeah, you just, I guess you did the intro. Now you're getting into setting up and things like that. So you'll walk you through. But the platform you have to use is Owanda. So all you really need is, yeah, all you need is Owanda to set up your auto trader. As far as like platforms, apps, that's the only thing you need. You don't need Hugo's Way. You don't need TradingView. All you need is Owanda to set it up. So that. So this is cool. Look at UJ and US 30 are both going down right now. That's kind of a sight to see. But UJ is still in the middle of this trap. So a little bit more riskier. Let's stay away from that. Whereas US 30 is more towards the bottom of the trap that it's currently in. Yeah, it's at the bottom. That's great. That's great. So if we can see it start to come back up above this blue zone, we'll be good. If not, if it keeps on coming down here and falling out, we could look for um, a sell opportunity, but we would have to wait for some retesting and be sure, because this could be a massive breakout, but we would have to be sure on the lower time frame that actually does show us some price action, some M patterns or something like that. This was definitely a strong sign that this is ready to be bearish, but of course it could just be consolidating. So we don't want to get caught up in that, right? One of two things could be happening in this area. One is just a consolidation before it goes back up. So it might consolidate for who knows how long, days, weeks, right? Or it can be the start of an M pattern where it's going to end up dropping down to this point here, going back down to this low. So we can't predict the market. So we got to really wait for proof before we jump into anything like that. Let me see if I can find anything or check out T.bot and see if we can find any other markets to trade while we wait. Oh. Okay. Let's check out some of these signals we got. So this morning we got a CAD JPY signal and a UJ for a buy. So UJ and AJ. Let's go check those out. I mean UJ and CJ. So once again, UJ, we said we don't really like it at this area because it's the 50%. But as we saw yesterday when we said that, same thing at 9 o'clock, right at the 50%, it bounced right back up at this after the zone. So this is proven a couple times now to be an area where the price likes to reverse. So it could have just been doing a fake breakout. Sometimes what I want y'all to do is just delete this right here. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit for y'all. Okay. Okay, there we go. So that looks a lot clearer. Oh yeah, so what I was gonna do was just talk about, just draw, like those horizontal lines I talked about of like where the floor is, where the price tends to come back up. So this right here seemed like a nice little floor and it went back up. So you would think that it will respect this line right here. And if it don't respect it, then most people are gonna say, uh-oh, it's about to break out, right? But we just gotta wait it out and see. You need real confirmation that it's a breakout. Don't just jump right in. More likely than not, it's a fake out because the market consolidates more than it trends. So it could just be consolidating up here in this level. Remember, the consolidation can look huge. Some consolidation is going to look like this on a 1 minute time frame, but on a 1 hour or 4 hour time frame, it's probably going to look like this. So this right here may not look like consolidation, but if it's stuck in a certain area, it's still consolidation. Okay. Keep that part in mind too. Write that in your notes. It's probably consolidating on some time frame if you look. So when I say that's consolidating, that doesn't mean stay out of the market. It just means you need to know which time frame to be looking for entries and exits. Okay, because that's a big, big trap to make money inside of. Signals are just through Slack right now. They will be in the app eventually. Very, very eventually, if that makes sense. All right, so this is just where I see the market doing this thing at. Yeah, T-Bot said UJ is a buy. Let me put the trap cloud on here. Hey, I like that. Hmm. So this is pretty cool. I use this indicator called the RSI, and looks like there's a way for me to, yeah, so I can set in a condition to say when USD JPY, when the RSI cross the RSI moving average, we can get an alert. Yeah, there we go. So when the RSI crosses over that, let's get an alert. Let's see how that goes. Like this. Yeah, because it's crossing literally right now too. That's the crazy part. So getting a strong green candle to close outside of this will be good. We at 9:50. It's 10 more minutes in this in this excuse me in this candle. Okay, Elda, have a good day. Um, Yes, if I can trap the show. Yeah, it's too dangerous though. So we got this downtrend coming. We got the moving average 200 coming. Let me go down to a lower time frame and see if it just looks like more room. Nope, yeah, I don't like it. So remember, this is what we talked about before when analyzing signals. Just do your analysis first and then see what you think about the T.buy signal. Not saying it's a bad one, but just look where the take profit point is at. So if you get in here, it might be a little bit harder to make your profit because look, you got two forms of resistance coming your way. Okay. Two forms of resistance. So as soon as you get in right here, as soon as you get in right here, you're going to have the price finding rejection at this blue line and at this downwards line here, which is blue, but I'm going to make it red. So if you were to get into this, the better place would be down here at the bottom at a zone where right now, as we see, price is working its way up. So let me see if I can make this a little bit more transparent. There we go. Cool. I'm still swinging for the fences, y'all, just so y'all know. I'm still in that mode, still in that zone. So don't try this at home. Ain't nothing changed from yesterday. This challenge has ran its course. We good. We're gonna hit this goal. Dang. I'm looking for those 1 to 5s. Boom, 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 boom. Looking strong. I like that W pattern that's building right there. Look like we want to find a little bit of resistance over here though, before coming back down. But it was cool. It didn't stay down. Okay. Let's check our RSI. See if we can get another confirmation. Okay, it already crossed over here. Crossed where? Right here. Okay, that's a good sign. Let me see, do we have a trend line coming that we can draw? That's a good sign right there. Crossing that EMA 20 as well. No, we don't have a cloud happening right now. Let's go to M5. Oh no, M5 shows even more. EMA 20 is really coming close. We got a big news coming out. Don't forget 2 o'clock today for US dollar. 2 o'clock, 2:30, both times. CAD JPY looks a lot like UJ. One thing I want to share with y'all some advice I got a long time ago. Really good advice on trading. I know it's hard for me to keep this mindset during this 30-day challenge, but something I want you to keep in mind while you are trading day to day is no action is still an action. Okay. No action is still an action. So meaning you don't always have to take a trade. You don't always have to be in a trade. You may sit down and look at the charts and feel like today is not the day to trade. I don't see what I'm looking for. It's okay. I'll come back in an hour, 2 hours, or I'll come back tomorrow. So please remind yourself of that. Don't feel like you have to um, force yourself into trades every single day. Okay, 10 o'clock. EJ. Okay. Yeah, if you need help with Auto Trader tonight, we will be going over it. Thank you, Nicole, for dropping that link. Tonight, we're going to do an intro to Auto Trader just to make sure we're all on the same page about what you need to do to get set up. Dang, so it looked like it came directly to where it was yesterday. Like exactly. Now let's look at it on the 30-minute and see what we got yesterday. Hmm. Yesterday was dangerous. Look at this green candle. These two green candles right here. This was the tricky one right here that tried to take us out. It knew it wanted to go up, but it came down this last little bit and try to see who tried to enter a trade real quick. We're gonna get you out of here. So that's dangerous right there. That's real dangerous. So that's why I always talk about cushion, putting some cushion on your stop losses. In this situation, we would have needed about 32,505 was the low. It went down to 32,481. So about 25 pips or points of profit. That's just for US 30. It'll be different for different pairs. Oh, I like this though a lot because look, it's meeting up with this EMA 200 line. So we can see a nice bounce here. A lot of consolidation in these markets. Gold looks like it's in a good area to reverse. Yeah, this market look like it want to go down. US 30 might want to drop crazy. If you're looking at the daily and weekly. Oh, signal set up at 10. 15. Okay. All right, cool. You definitely get that set up. Honestly, I'm gonna jump off too because if not, we're going to forcing the trade, and I don't see any sound setups right now. And I know what's happening. We got this big news coming out. It's NFP week, and also, of course, the Federal Open Market Committee going to be today at 2 o'clock. Look, it says the Federal Reserve is expected to make history yet again on Wednesday, approving a fourth straight rate hike. So, yeah, people probably waiting just to get a little bit closer to see how that kind of goes. Let's just play it by ear. We'll probably see a lot of volatility in the market. So I definitely don't feel like being in a heavy consolidated trade right now until the news comes out. That sounds ugly. See a little bit of push. It doesn't look like a lot of volume though, right? We have volume back at 8 o'clock, 8:15. Before that, around 4 during the London session. Let's see what this push does right here. Yeah, I'm not messing with this. All right, y'all. So yeah, we'll catch up. If anything changes, I'll hop on Slack and show you anything that I might be looking at. But just be careful today. And also, let me just check tomorrow. We know Friday has some heavy news. Um, let's see what Thursday looks like for us. Yeah, Thursday is heavy for the British pound, and then some US dollar at 10. And then Friday, 8:30, a lot of Canadian news and US news. So you just be careful this week, of course. Might have to do some afternoon trading. Just be careful during the days, all right? Appreciate y'all so much. Thank you again. Peace out, Sherelle. And peace everybody in the tribe. Talk to y'all soon.